Welcome back to the Rebuild Blueprint. Ever felt trapped by your own success? You chase the corner office, the title, the salary, but what if it's costing you everything that actually matters? 15 years. That's how long I played the corporate game. Early mornings, late nights, endless emails. I climbed the ladder, promotion, pay rise, corner office with the London skyline, mortgage in Essex, shiny car, colleagues who respected me. From the outside, I was winning. But every win came with a cost. Then came the night everything changed. Tuesday, March 2:47 a.m. I sat up in bed, heart pounding, chest tight, couldn't breathe, clock ticking louder and louder. I drove myself to A&E, hands shaking, thinking, is this how it ends? In a hospital car park at 3 a.m.? The test came back clear. The doctor looked at me and said, "You're healthy. It's just stress. You need to slow down." But how do you slow down when the golden handcuffs are welded shut? Lying in that hospital bed, I realized I wasn't living. I was surviving. At 6 a.m., I made a decision that terrified everyone. I was going to walk away. Not because I had a plan, because staying meant dying slowly. The rebuild started with one word: no. No to the next promotion. No to the golden handcuffs. No to living someone else's definition of success. It has been 147 days since I walked out. I won't lie, it's been terrifying. The uncertainty, the judgment, the financial reality. But for the first time in 15 years, I feel alive. Here's what I learned. Your breaking point isn't the end. It's the beginning of your breakthrough. Sometimes the moment you think everything is falling apart is actually the moment things are finally falling into place. Have you ever had a moment like this? A dark night of the soul that forced you to choose between just surviving and truly living? That moment where you realize you can't keep going the way you are and you finally say, enough? If you're feeling trapped in your own golden cage, you're not alone. Share your own rebuild story or what's holding you back in the comments below. Let's talk about your breaking point. Start your rebuild with accountability.